one day, your child will stop asking for your time. Not because they don't love you, but because they've learned that you're always too busy. Work, stress, social media. Life moves so fast that we don't realize what we're losing until it's too late. But what if I told you that just 10 extra minutes of family time each day can change your child's future? Stay with me till the end because I'll share a special family challenge that can bring your family closer. Starting today, think about it. When was the last time your family sat together without distractions? When was the last time you looked into your child's eyes and truly listened? Life is getting busier. Research shows that families today spend 40% less time together than just 20 years ago. Parents are working overtime. Kids are lost in screens. Everyone is too busy. And then, one day, kids grow up and we wonder why they don't talk to us anymore. But what if we could change this? What if we made family time a priority again? The good news? Even small moments of connection can change your child's life. Here's how. Stronger emotional bond kids who spend time with their parents feel more secure, loved, and emotionally strong. Better behavior and respect want fewer tantrums? More cooperation? Quality time makes kids feel valued, so they listen more. Higher confidence and happiness when kids feel important at home, they carry that confidence into the world. Better grades and focus studies show that kids who eat meals with family do better in school. Prevents anxiety and depression when kids feel heard and connected. Their emotional health thrives. It's not about spending the whole day together. It's about making the moments count. You don't need hours, just intentional moments. Try these. The 10-minute rule every day. Spend 10 minutes giving your child full attention. No phones. No distractions. Just connection. Eat together, but no screens. Dinner time is equal to family time. Even 3 meals a week together can make a difference. One fun family activity per week: game night, cooking together, a short walk, create happy memories. Bedtime talks tuck them in. Ask about their day, share a story. These little moments last forever. Say I love you more often. Kids need to hear it, even when they're grown up. Before you scroll away, I have a challenge for you. Pause for 10 seconds. Think of one thing you can do today to connect with your family. Maybe it's a hug. Maybe it's turning off your phone at dinner. Maybe it's just listening. Comment below what's one way you will spend more time with your family this week. Let's inspire each other. Don't forget to subscribe to Growing Together for more life-changing parenting tips. Let's make every family stronger, together.